In how many days can 12 men and 6 women together complete a piece of work? So we have group. We will be able to solve it if we individually know men group or women group, how many days they take to finish the work. So 6 men can complete that piece of work in 10 days. So we know the men part. 12 women can complete that piece of work in 10 days. So we know the women's part. So yani 1 and 2 together will definitely help us. 1 and 2 together. So this goes away, this goes away. Only one and either 2 or 3, 1 and 2. Any 2 of the 3? Maybe, let's check. 5 women take 24 days to complete the same piece of work. So second and third, they both are about women. So that means second and first or third and first. If I club first and second, I'll get the answer. If I club first and third, then also I'll get the answer, because each pair is going to is talking about group of men and women, finishing the work. So 1 along with 2 or 3. So A doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense. 1 and 1 of 2 or 3. So D is our answer.